USD, short for Universal Scene Description, is meanwhile well known in the animation and visual effects industry. In this video, we want to introduce a tool for Autodesk Maya that provides an easy solution for the customizable export of animated skeletons, skinning data, and blend shape deformations using the USD Skeleton API. To create a new USD layer for a rigged geometry, the character model can be loaded as a reference USD stage, giving a hierarchical representation to add skeletons and skin weights. Using the export flags enables the output of either static rigs containing all deformation attributes or just lightweight animation clips capturing only bone transformations and shape keys that can be applied to the rig later. Establishing such a workflow allows working with smaller file sizes and provides faster writing times compared to a common geometry cache export. The USD layers can now be composed together with the character model in any digital content creation tool that supports USD import. In larger scopes, the backend can also be implemented in the publish process of production tools to export entire scenes.